So today I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to create a foundation single crochet, foundation double crochet, and foundation triple crochet. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Welcome back to the Purple Tulip workshop, where you learn your stitches and stitch to create with love. I'm your host Shipra, and I'll be taking you through a series of videos on different types of stitches and projects. So if you're excited and ready to learn, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you never miss when I post a new video. Foundation single crochet. So we're going to start by making our slip knot, and then we're going to be doing chain 2. So that's 1 and 2. Now we're going to be working into this first initial chain that we did. So we're going to place in a hook, pull the yarn through, and into this first loop that we put through, we're going to pull another loop. So this will be our foundation chain, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through both the remaining 2 loops. So we'll insert the hook in again into the first loop that we just created for the foundation chain, pull our yarn through, and then into the first loop that we have on the hook, we will do a yarn over, pull through, that will make our foundation chain, and then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, that will make our single crochet. So insert the hook into the foundation chain, pull a yarn through, make the next chain for the foundation chain, and then yarn through. And we're going to keep repeating this till the number of stitches required for your project. So you see, we've just created the foundation single crochet. We've done the foundation chain at the bottom and single crochets at the top. If we turn this around, we'll see the chain created at the bottom, and at the top we have the single crochet. So both of them are done together. Foundation double crochet. So we're going to start by making our slip knot, and then we're going to be making chain 3. So that's 1, 2, and we need another one, so that's 3. And we're going to be working into this first chain that we created initially. But before we do that, we need to wrap our yarn around the hook like this, and then insert the hook into the first chain, pull the yarn through like this. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, and into the first loop that we just created, we're going to pull the yarn through. This will create our foundation chain, and then we're going to be working the remaining loops as we do for a double crochet. So yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull to the remaining 2 loops. So that creates our double crochet. So yarn over again, hook into the foundation chain loop like this, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull through 1 loop, so that creates a foundation chain, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So we can repeat this action until the required length we have for the project. So you see how we created the foundation chain at the bottom? If you turn it around, you'll see the chain. And then we have the double crochets right at the top. So all of this is done together. Foundation triple crochet. So we're going to start by making our slip knot. And then we're going to be doing a chain of 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And we're going to wrap the yarn around twice like this. And we will be working into this first initial chain. Insert the hook in like this, pull the yarn through. So we're going to be working onto this first loop. We pull the yarn through, that makes our foundation chain, and then work the stitches like we do for a triple crochet. So wrap the yarn around twice, insert the hook into the foundation chain stitch that we just created like this, pull the yarn through, and then create the foundation chain like this, and then pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, pull the yarn through the second 2 loops, pull the yarn through the third 2 loops. And we can just work the following sequence as long as we want, as much as it's required for the project. So now you can see how we just created the foundation chain and also the treble crochets at the top. You turn the work around, you'll see the chain that was created for the foundation, and then the triple crochets right at the top. So all of this is done together. So if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel from the link below and click on to the bell icon for the latest updates. Take care for now and stay safe. Bye bye.